Sorry, yeah. Can you kill the car with the bike? Yeah. Hello everybody, welcome yet to another episode of Shut Up and Show Off My Ride. So today we have episode 7 and I am super excited to bring Gassed Out SA's first ever supercar. I must say thanks to the owner. Unfortunately the owner could not make it today, but I've had the opportunity to drive this car since yesterday and what an absolute dream. It's always a thing that you think of from when you're like a little boy, like you play with those little Hot Wheels and you're like, fuck, I wish I'm going to own one or even sit in one or even drive one the day when I actually grow up. And I've had the opportunity to, so like I want to say a very special thanks to, sorry, there we go, very special thanks to the owner. So yeah, let's cut to the chase, guys. So today we've got a LP610 Lamborghini Huracan. Yes, it's one of a kind. I know that Race has built this car. As you guys can see, it's not a stock color on this car. Mint Wrapworks did a full wrap on this car, which absolutely suits this car to the T. From I know, this car is fully spec'd, so ceramic brakes, everything you name it, it's on here. From the owner's side, so it would have been obviously an ideal to have the owner with us so that he can give us a little bit more in-depth explanation as to why he went this route, why he actually bought a Lamborghini. Like in Mazda, if it was me, fuck, if I could, I would any day, every day. I would have parked this thing inside my garage, no worries at all. But yeah, so I did receive a message from him, just explaining to me a little bit of, like, just a little bit of insight as to what he has done to this car. So the car has software on. I know that Race, like I mentioned, Race has built this, so there is software on the car, and then there's a full exhaust system, and I promise you this car sounds bifuck. It is so mean. I started this car this morning, cold start. You will have a fright of your life. I'll show a clip of the sound of this car. Other than that, the car is still stock standard. As you guys know, it's a 5.2 litre V10 engine, so that thing is screaming in the back when you're driving this car. I know you know, it's always like, I'm speechless. Just because it's like a sort of like a dream come true of actually being able to drive one. So yeah, like I said, 5.2 liter V10. Currently, well, stock standard, they do about 450 kilowatts and 520 newtons. But with the software on, because it's naturally aspirated, you can't really expect too much gains, but the gains are a lot greater than a normal naturally aspirated car. So we're assuming that the car is doing, say, what, roughly around, say, 480, 490 kilowatts. I might be wrong, so please don't hate on me. 520 newtons, I would say roughly around 560 newtons at the moment. But like I said, I do stand corrected. Please don't take my word for it. I'm just assuming from my sort of experience. So as you guys can see, beautiful Lamborghini Huracan straight out of Cape Town. So guys, I must say very special thanks to the owner. Very special thanks to Lush. Lush has actually given me the opportunity to get this beautiful Lamborghini. There's still a lot more coming. Also very special thanks to Lush and them. And then I must say special thanks to my sponsors, my new on-board sponsors, Dr. Detailer. They've actually detailed this car for us before the shoot. You guys can check them out. All the details are down in the description box below. Then also ENDURADE from Nutritech, that keeping us hydrated and keeping us, giving us energy, should I say. But yeah, those are my two main sponsors. Oh, and yet another special thanks to Stealth Tune and Ryan Pereira Motors, who is currently sponsoring this video. So guys, I will leave all of their details down in the description box below. So please do me a favor, go drop them a follow on Instagram, go send them whatever you guys need. I mean, if you have any questions with regards to anything, please drop it down in the comment section below. We will get to answer them. Also, if you guys can do me a favor, go check out Gas.SA on Instagram. Please drop us a follow. We've also got a TikTok account, so you guys can check up on some of the stuff that we're doing there. So please go make sure that you do drop us a follow on there. And then to all the subscribers thus far, you guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for all the support. The channel is growing immensely, so I'm really happy from where we are going. And some of the stuff that we actually have planned, you guys are going to be blown away. So guys, till I see you guys next, episode 8. So, sorry, yeah. Can you kill the car with the bike? Yeah. Sorry, fucking, yeah, I won't really say, but anyway, guys, like I said, thank you so much for supporting us, showing some love at all the videos. We are almost at some sort of a target of mine. So yeah, guys, please make sure that you do subscribe to this channel. Please make sure that you do drop us a like and share this video and drop some comments down below. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.